Allow me to introduce the full magic of the Melatherm in double extra large. Let's take a direct look inside the Melatherm 20. The chamber concept with upper and lower baskets offers maximum flexibility because thanks to the base area with 8 segments, each basic basket can be individually tailored to your needs. And the best part, from over 90 stackable baskets, holders and washing trays, you can put together your own loading pattern that truly fits you and your workflows. Whether for dental, ENT, gynecology, ophthalmology, veterinary medicine, podiatry or other specialties. And for medical care centers, there is now even a service cart with space for up to 8 surgical trays. In addition to the 8 flex segments, you'll find an additional area on the right side of the base basket. There you can optionally insert a special flex basket or in the lower basket an injector rail module. The module features 2 rails with 22 connections, ideal for example, hand pieces, ENT irrigation cannulas or other hollow instruments. And the special thing, while other thermal filter discs use one in every adapter, here we rely on a new approach with the self-cleaning central filter, Cleanfinity Pro, directly in the bottom of the wash chamber. This filter cleans itself during the cycle, completely without any manual effort. But that's not all. Familiar features are also on board. The AquaBoost technology now comes with 3 optimized spray arms for up to 63% better cleaning results. No corner in the wash chamber remains untouched. When we close the door, we're greeted by a large display for intuitive operation and direct batch release without any additional software or costs. Afterwards, all protocols are conveniently output via the integrated USB or network interfaces, just as you're used to from our Miele autoclaves. All of this, of course, in the usual quality. Made in Germany, and with our open service concept. Because with 1,300 trained technicians, you have complete freedom of choice for maintenance, repair or validation, and all at the best price-performance ratio. The Melatherm 20 adapts to your practice's needs, whether as a 230 volt or 400 volt version, with active dry for active drying inside and out, or passive dry with automatic door opening and steam condensation. So let's make the Melatherm 20 yours together. We look forward to your inquiry for a consultation.